Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Students, today we are going to start question number 3 and 4 of chapter 1 exercise 1.3. Question number 3 has two parts, part 1 and part 2. Let us start with part 1. Part 1 says for any integers a, what is minus 1 into a equals to? Students, they are telling us if you take any integer a, so let me take integer a is equal to, let us say 6, and they are asking us if you multiply that a with minus 1, that is here we have taken 6, so what will be it equal to? It will be equals to definitely students minus 6. Let us take another example. Let us take a is equal to 7 this time, and if we multiply minus 1 into 7, what will be our answer? It will be definitely minus 7, because one negative one positive will give us negative answer, and 6 ones are 6 and 7 ones are 7. Anything multiplied by 1 will give me that answer only. So what should I write, students? For, we will write like this: for any integers a, minus 1 multiply by a will give me minus a. Why, students? Because anything multiplied with 1 will give me that answer only, and here 1 is not alone, it is with minus sign, so definitely that minus sign will be carry on because the second integer is plus. So our answer is minus a. Now let us move to second part, students. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is a minus 22, b 37 and c 0. We have to give the integer whose multiplication, if we do with minus 1, it will give me minus 22, 37 and 0. So let us start and give the answer one by one. I have to give one integer whose multiplication with minus 1 is 22, minus 22. Anything multiplied by 1 will give me that answer. You know that rule. So definitely here I will write 22. But should I write minus 22, students? If I write minus 22, it will become plus 22 because there will be two negative integers. So our answer will be 22. So I will write, therefore the integer whose product with minus 1 is minus 22, with minus 1 is minus 22 is 22. Now let us move to B portion. Now again we have to give one integer whose product with minus 1 will give me 37. Definitely our answer will be 37, students. But should I take minus 37 or plus 37? Because 37 ones are will be 37. Let me take 37 and try it. 37 ones are 37, but it will give me minus 37. So what should I do? I will take minus 37. So again I will write, therefore the integer whose product with minus 1 is 37 will be minus 37. That you are going to write in your notebook. Now let us move to the C portion, that is we have to give one integer whose product with minus 1 will give me 0. Students, you know, if you want the answer as 0, you should be multiplying any number with 0. Our answer will be 0 only. So not only 1, if we multiply any number with 0, the answer will be 0. So it was very easy answer, and our answer is 0, because 0 into minus 1 will be 0. So you will write, therefore the integer whose product with minus 1 is 0 will be 0. Wasn't it easy, students? Now let us move to question number 4, but let me first write down for you. So students, question number 4 says, starting from minus 1 multiply by 5, write various products showing same pattern to minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. They told us that we must start from minus 1 into 5 and continue to write various products which is showing the same pattern till we reach minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So students, what we will do? We will write like this. We have minus 1 into 5 is equal to minus 5. Now we have to write various products that is showing the same pattern till we reach minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. And how we will reach here minus 1 into minus 1? We will continue to reduce 5 from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then finally we reach minus 1. So we will write, therefore multiply minus 1 with integers like 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 and minus 1. We get, what we will get? We will reach minus 1 into 4 is equal to minus 4. Minus 1 into 3 will give me minus 3. Minus 1 into 2 will give me minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 will give me minus 1. Minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. And minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So we reach our answer. That is all they want us to do. Hence minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1, and this is your answer, students. They told us to go in the same pattern, so we have taken same pattern, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, and here we have reducing from 5 to minus 1 till we reach minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. Hope you understand this question number 3 and 4. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.